I'm going to go over Powerbridge Technologies, ticker symbol PBTS. According to Fidelity, it was the #1 most actively traded stock across all markets. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the chart. It ended the day at $1.12, up a whopping 189%. Congratulations if you've made some money off of this stock. And the reason it ran, the company said that it has secured a series of contracts totaling about $5 million for digital transformation. Now, the 52-week low on this stock is 25 cents. The 52-week high, $3.64. Volume much higher than normal with 276.8 million shares traded. We typically see 28.9 million shares traded. It has a market cap of $30.5 million. Taking a look at the performance for the week, it is up 234%. For the month, it is up 286%, but for the year, it is down 26%. Under the technicals, it's considered a strong buy as of this moment. The company is engaged in software as a service solutions and blockchain applications. It provides technology solutions for the global trade industry, Internet of Things platform services, as well as intelligent fixtures and devices for smart city operations, supply chain platforms and social live streaming and services for the retail industry, metaverse and smart solutions for the travel and leisure industry, as well as crypto mining and digital asset operations. What does this company not do? It is headquartered in China. Again, it ended at $1.12. I'm going to give you some levels. To the upside is $1.25. To 2 standard deviations, that would be about $1.65. And to the downside, we are talking 84 cents at -2 standard deviations. And if we go down one more at -3 standard deviations, that would be 64 cents. And I do notice over this area right here, this is the 3-minute time frame. From this level to this, that was a 307% return. And notice when a stock hits support, which this is, it tends to go up. And it did. It went past the median or the middle of the channel, which is support. This is resistance. If the stock is down here, this is support. It blew through here. This is a level of resistance. This is a level of resistance and another level of resistance. It made it to 3 standard deviations, fell back down, and when it goes down, this is a level of support. And when a stock hits support, what happens? People tend to, obviously, in this level, take their profits and they run, and it hit support and it went down, and then it hit this level, which is the median, and when the stock is at resistance, this is support down here. And then it bounced back up. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this RSI. It is at about 46. We are not oversold and we are not overbought. And the MACD on the 3-minute is crossing to the downside. Let's go ahead and take a look at this on the daily time frame. Look at the explosion to the upside here. Of course, we hit resistance. The stock is right here and on the daily time frame. To the downside is 89 cents, and that would be at 4 standard deviations. And I want to see one other thing on the daily. Right here. On WallStreetZen.com, only one analyst has predicted a price target of $10. On the low side, average is 10 and high is 10 as well. On money.cnn.com, only one analyst gave a prediction, the low of 7, the average of 7, and the high of 7 as of right now. So if we were to make it to those levels, where did I? Oh, there we go. Gonna make that smaller. And we are right here. to the upside, that is a 371% return. And to the next level, that is a 576% return. Of course, we may never get there, or it could take a very long time to do so. Let's take a look at the RSI on the daily. We are at 93, obviously in the overbought area, and we have never gone this high. And notice in the past, whenever we hit the overbought area, it tends to sell off. This sells off. Again, here, 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 and I anticipate it also falling down as well. We cannot continue to keep running and running and running. There's always going to be a basing, consolidating zone after a major run-up. Oh, let me show you. The MACD is still going up. Oh, no, right there. Yeah, it is. Wow, look at that. All right, but it looks like it is that peaking out? Now, it can still go up here a little bit before possibly going down. Let me go ahead and show you this on the weekly time frame and give you some levels here. All right, to the upside. Move that. Actually, I'm just going to erase it. Okay. And let me just move that to get it out of the way as well. One level to the upside is $1.63 on the weekly time frame. And the next level, boy, I just cannot control the keyboard today. 225, and at 4 standard deviations, that is 287 to the downside if we make it back to the middle of the channel or of the trend here. The median, that is 239 if we go down from there. At -2 standard deviations, that's -82 cents. And notice what happens when a stock hits resistance right here. People are taking their profits and they're running, goes down, goes sideways, back to the middle of the channel. Everything passes through the middle. And so it tends to stay through here and then either go to the upside or to the downside. And this obviously is a massive level of resistance. Obviously, it could not go any higher, and then it fell down. What happens when a stock hits resistance? People are taking their money and they are cashing in and they are running. So we went back down to earth and then hit here, which is support. If we are all the way up here, this becomes a level of support, a level of support, and a level of support. But if we are going to the upside, it becomes resistance, resistance. This is money, this is more money, and this area is the jackpot. And obviously, we went to the moon in this case. And again, right here is resistance. Stock falls apart. And we are here. We touched this level right here of resistance, and then it went back down to $1.12. I'm not talking about after hours trading either. Let's take a look at this. RSI, we are at 70. We have just entered the overbought zone. And as you can see right here, when we did enter the overbought zone at 78, it started to fall down and apart. People are again cashing out, running away with their money, and the MACD crossed over to the upside. And finally, let's take a look at this on the monthly time frame. We are sitting right here. Let me move this out of the way. And a possible level for you, a target there is $1.97. And to the downside, if you use the crosshairs, would be -2 cents. Let's take a look at this on the monthly time frame again. The RSI, we are at 43. We've just passed the oversold zone. And right here, the MACD crossing over just right there. I'm not sure if it's going to the downside or the upside just yet. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at how we ended here, how the day ended. A lot of red, as you can see. If you have not looked at your long-term trading account, do not look at it. It is really bad today. Apple down 3.6%, Microsoft down 2%, Google down 1.9%, Amazon down 4%, Tesla down 0.89%. And let's take a look at some headlines making news today. May CPI inflation likely still red hot as gas prices surged. Mortgage rates up again as home buyers cancel purchases. Retirees may see bigger Social Security benefits in 2023. The 30-plus year bull market in interest rates is over, strategist says. That does it for me. If there is a stock that you would like me to check out, please comment below. And to see my other stock picks, check out my other videos. Thanks so much for watching.